what good is an investment portfolio if you can't stick with it? I don't like investment decisions based on all in or all out. I don't like to see investors make an investment decision by saying, I'm going to sell all of my stocks, for example, and I will put that money back into stocks when the stock market goes even lower. Because what happens is that if the stock market does go lower, then you're going to say to yourself, well, now that the market's going even lower, I'm going to wait for it to stop going lower. And you don't invest. And then the stock market rebounds. And then you say to yourself, well, I could have bought stocks lower. So I'm going to wait till they go back down again. And then they go down. And then you say to yourself, wait, they're still going down. They're going down lower. I'm going to keep waiting. And what happens is you get into endless procrastination. That's not a strategy. That doesn't work. Time in the market, not timing the market, is what actually works when it comes to building wealth over the long term. I like to call it the get rich slow scheme. Practicing good financial habits, personal financial habits, investing over the long term with a portfolio that you could stick with over the long term.